my YouTube loves. I am getting ready to show you all how I keep Malachi's pull-ups on. I'm not trying to really focus too much on me. I'm trying to focus on the sleeper. So I can't get my camera angled right because I'm on my bed. I do not feel like getting on the floor just to do this. Plus, I'm fat and it's gonna hurt getting back up, just to be completely honest. Um, so I feel more comfortable doing it in my bed. Um, anyways, what I've done here, my loves, is I've already used my ruler and I have basically markered off where I want my shorts to begin. See, this is just a whole onesie. I have already cut the feet off because I was just gonna use it as a winter onesie, but it was um too short still for Malachi, so it was basically floods, and yeah, I don't want that. We mainly just like take stuff like this that are, his legs are too long for, and it looks like, high waters, like we're doing a Michael Jackson moonwalk. Instead of doing all that, we're just going to turn them into shorts today, because it's getting hot and he can use more of these. Yeah, so I've already taken my ruler, like I said, and I drew my line across where I want my shorts to begin. And then I did the same for the arms. So, yes. So I'm just going to basically just cut the arms straight across, just to make them into short sleeve. That way he won't be so hot. So, pretty simple. I like to mark it off, and I'm just going to do one arm at a time because these scissors are, not the greatest of scissors. But they do well for just, my threading and things like that when I'm cutting my thread. Alright, sorry if I'm wearing the same clothes, you guys. It's just today was a good day for me to knock out a few things. As far as, I guess you can call these DIYs. So these right here are the sleeves that I will just be tossing because we won't need them. And now Malachi has basically short sleeves. Also, I have already revamped these as far as I took the neck in, because if I don't take the necks in on these, what he does is he'll just pull his arm. I'm not going to do that, you guys. He'll pull his arm through, and then this part will just be like hanging up under his armpit, and this part over here will be just rubbing up against his neck, and it'll just leave a red mark against his neck. So, and also the zipper didn't have the closure that some of the pajamas do, but even with those snap closures, I've noticed that he knows how to unsnap those. So what I've been doing is just taking just some thick elastic you can get from like Walmart or Joann's Fabric. I think I got that from Joann's. And then you'll just stitch it to one end, and then you'll take the other end and you'll just put a button there, and then you'll measure it out, and cut your hole. Not too big. I kind of just normally just cut just a little tiny pinch of a hole, and then I'll take my lighter and burn it. And when you burn it, it stops it from fraying, so it won't fray at all. And it's just a smooth hole that doesn't fray. And when I do a zipper, I kind of leave his zipper upright when I put this over, because sometimes Mr. Malachi can still get that zipper down. If it's facing down underneath here, he can sometimes, I don't know, wiggle his finger to get it down somehow. So I just try to keep it upright. And that's kind of how I do the, you know, pajamas. So I have 3 of these to do tonight, but I'm just basically going to do this one with you all. You know, for all of you moms and dads that need to keep your kids clothes on. This is a good way of doing it. Okay. Right now what I am getting ready to do is I'm going to pull this leg inside. This is the leg with the zipper. This is the leg that has the zipper on it. So right now what we're getting ready to do is we're going to stitch that zipper really good because we're going to cut these shorts into shorts. Sorry. We're going to cut this into shorts. And if you do not stitch that zipper really good, then when you get ready to unzip, your zipper is just going to fall apart, you know, because you're cutting at that, you know, and right now the zipper is being held really good by the bottom seam. So here we go with this. So you know what, the only thing is that I marked it, excuse me y'all, I marked it from the inside and I didn't I marked it from the outside and I didn't mark it from the inside. So I'm going to mark it now from the inside by just basically folding where I did my line and then mark the zipper from the inside. Okay. Because you want to make sure you know where to start stitching. Or you can probably zip your zipper down just a tad to help you out a little bit. Oops. Yeah, I got a little more room to go. Yeah. Okay. And that's evened up really good. Okay, and I already, sorry. I'm using green thread just because I noticed that they have green thread in the, you know, pajama zipper and on the seams and stuff. So I kind of want it to blend really well. I don't want it to be detectable. Again, I don't really care about how this is stitched because this is not a fashion show. This is just something for Malachi to be able to sleep in and run around the house in, and we don't have to worry about him taking his poopy pull up off and smearing poop all over the place because that's just not fun. So here we go. What I normally do is I'll take the zipper and I sew the zipper off really good, meaning I go all the way through and back through, and I'm, dang it, it's so hard. No. So I'm going through and I'm going right on the side of the zipper, if you can see that, right on the side of the zipper, right on this side. I'm going to go in and come right back out on this side of the zipper because I just want to, you know, kind of just, I want to tighten that up. I want to sew around that zipper real tight. And then I'm going to basically, you see my knot is over here. There goes my knot. So I'm going to grab that zipper and just pull a little hard. And yeah, I want that zipper to stay, I want that thread to stay tight. So I'm just going to kind of hold it with my finger. And if it doesn't stay, I'm going to do the same process over and over again, probably about a good 5 times, because I just really want that zipper not to fray. Because if it frays, then, you know, your pajama is just, you know, all that work for nothing. And then basically I just go through the loop again. So I just keep doing that for about 5, probably about 6 times, because I just like even numbers. Horrible. So did I just say that? I did. I'm horrible. Alright, and I'm gonna do it again. It's the last time. And I'm going through the loop again just to lock it. Okay. And now when you look at it right here, and it's probably hard to see, but here, let's try to get it to where you guys can see it. Yeah. Basically where right there is just, it's really tight. And then my husband has me also going up a little more above the line, just to give it more of a security. So I'll probably go right here and not that as well. Just a couple little inches up. Just for extra security. You know. And it gives him something to, I guess, when he's zipping it up, he said it gives him something to kind of hold on to. Not only that, it makes him feel a little better knowing that if he unzips it down real hard, it's just a little more security. So yeah, oops, I forgot to loop that one. Yeah, he's a good daddy. When I'm working, he's a good dad to Mr. Maddie. He gives him his bath, he feeds him, and gets him ready for bed for mommy when mommy's at work. Because I work nights. So, but thank goodness it's just 2 days out of a week. And it's mainly just so that I can get out of the house because I'm with Malachi all the time when he's not, in school or centers or daycare. And it's a lot of work on me. So sometimes, not only that, I don't really have a lot of interaction with, I do with a few of the autistic moms, but that's like in passing when we're picking our kids up, we'll stop and say hi and things like that. But, when we have our kids, it's kind of hard to really have a girl talks. So I don't get that, you know, chance to just have a normal conversation with adults. You know, my world is just basically, talking to Malachi, and he doesn't talk back. And, well, he talks back in his own way, but, just to have you guys get it. You get what I'm saying. I don't have, conversations with other parents or women or. So it gets a little lonely sometimes, and it's just nice to be able to get out and go to work and woosah, you know. And then I have a great relationship with my coworkers. So every once in a while we let loose and we'll get off work and go to Applebee's and enjoy ourselves. So it's nice. I enjoy it. So now, this is the ending. I'm going to go ahead and zip that up. I'm going, you know what, you guys, that I don't like what I did, which, like I said, it's not a fashion show. It really isn't. And you guys are probably going to laugh at me right now. And that's why I should always draw my lines on the inside. Because right now, I have to cut up under this line. Because, well, I don't. Well, I want his shorts to come there. Let's see. Right now, I'm going to cut on that line. Which cutting on that line is going to cut my zipper. I mean, where I stitched my zipper. Which right now, I'm going to try to avoid it. I'm going to try to avoid that part. And just cut underneath that zipper if I can. but we'll see. If not, I did stitch it twice, so it'll be fine. Yep, I'm going under the zipper, guys. These are not good scissors at all, so make sure you have better scissors than I do when you do this. So let's see how I did. Perfect! So I was able to cut under the stitching that I did. So I have a stitch here, and there are my shorts right there. I'm going to straighten that line up over here. I'm going to straighten it up. Like I said, it's not a fashion show, so. And it's not like Mr. Malley's going out of the house with these on. It's just to, it's just to, you know, so he's not too hot this summer, and also, so he's not too hot, and so that he keeps his pull up on at night. And you know, it's been times Malachi will run downstairs in his pull up, you know, and he'll have on like some basketball shorts and a shirt, you know, and he'll come back upstairs handing us his everything. He'll be just streaking, you know, through the house, running through the house, waving his shirt like this, you know, over his head, you know, like a crazy boy. And yeah, and he won't have any clothes on, and he'll hand us his pull up. He'll hand us his clothes, and we're just looking at him like, really? You have no clothes on, friend. So here we go, guys. There they are. He has shorts. And right now I am going to unzip them. And that zipper is not fraying because it's stitched pretty well. So there you go, you guys. That's how I keep Malachi's pull-ups on. You can keep your kids' diapers on this way. Also, we flip them backwards because he can unzip them. So we flip them backwards while he's wearing them so that he cannot unzip them down. So, and that's how we do it. And he looks cute as a button in this, running all over the house. So, thanks for watching, you guys. I'm sorry that it wasn't angled completely on my face. I didn't really want to have it angled on my face. I wanted the camera to basically just be showing you all my DIY on Malachi's shorts. What are they? Onesies. What are they? I think you call them onesies that we just turned into shorts. And you all have a wonderful evening. Have a blessed Memorial Day weekend. And from my family to yours, loves, loves. Please like, you guys. Comment and subscribe to my channel. And I will have more DIYs and more fun things coming up in the near future. And like I said, if you don't like, dang it, then that means I'm not doing a good job. So please like, subscribe. Have a wonderful evening, you all.